Good afternoon, my friends. I have important news for all of you. Americans just have a few weeks left to claim up to $800 in stimulus relief checks. These new payments would provide direct financial relief to millions of Americans. Also, Democrats and Republicans are now debating on how much more financial aid should be sent out to the American people. So, dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And friends, the more often you comment below a word on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Taxpayers in the United States have just weeks left to claim a check worth up to $800. Colorado Governor Jared Polis and state Senate leadership said in an announcement this week that the payments, which serve as a tax rebate, will go out to an estimated 3.1 million Coloradoans. They will be worth up to $400 for individuals and $800 for joint filers. The rebates aim to offset inflation, which has taken a great toll on many Americans' wallets. While the latest inflation figure for April peaked at 8.3%, that number is still very high. Governor Polis said in a statement, people are paying more for everyday items like gas, groceries, and rent through no fault of their own. Instead of the government sitting on money that Coloradans earned, we want to give everyone cash back as quickly as possible to provide immediate relief and to empower people to do what they want to do with their money. The payments will be based on the 2021 tax returns, which must be filed by May 31st, 2022. That means there are just over 2 weeks left to claim your money. According to the state, eligible taxpayers can expect to receive their checks in the mail in August or September. Right now, it's still unclear if they will go out in multiple batches. Additionally, Colorado is set to implement universal preschool, which would save families an average of $4,300 annually. Friends, the keyword for this video is Denver. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Denver, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, remember that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. Thank you so much, my dear friends. New claims for U.S. unemployment benefits increased to a more than 2-month high last week, but remained at a level consistent with tightening labor market conditions and further wage gains that could keep inflation hot for a while. The report from the Labor Department this week also showed that the number of Americans collecting state unemployment checks was the smallest in more than 52 years towards the end of April. One economist told Yahoo News, the latest level of initial claims filings is still pretty low by broad historical standards, and continuing claims filings kept trending lower through the report. Millions of Americans agree that the federal government still needs to send out more relief to the American people. Congressional lawmakers have begun discussions on potentially issuing another round of stimulus payments. Sources have told the Washington Post that the discussions are being led by Senate Democrat Ben Cardin and Senate Republican Roger Wicker. The two lawmakers have largely focused on authorizing billions of dollars in aid for the American people and businesses. A source close to the matter confirmed to The Hill that Cardin and Wicker are working to gather bipartisan support for additional aid for restaurants and many other businesses. Ben Cardin serves as the chair of the Senate Small Business and Entrepreneurship Committee, and Roger Wicker is currently the ranking member of the Senate Commerce, Science, and Transportation Committee. According to the Washington Post, Cardin and Wicker worked to put together a $68 billion proposal, which includes new spending as well as plans to repurpose unspent funds from other stimulus packages. The two lawmakers have spoken with other members of the Senate about the potential stimulus packages, including Senator Maria Cantwell, Mark Warner, and Susan Collins. So when asked about future crisis relief, White House press secretary has told reporters, "We did a major relief package just last year. We are in constant discussions with Congress and leadership about the needs of the American people, whether they are small businesses or restaurants or people sitting in their homes, as we continue to fight this crisis."
Thanks, Mr. Chairman, and thank you to the witnesses and all of you here today for this critically important hearing. I'm going to ask some questions that may be a little bit different. When we talk about food and feeding people, most of us think in terms of raw foodstuffs, and I'd like to be more specific. In areas of famine, I've seen, and this goes back a few years, I don't know if this is still the case, the use of food supplements like Plumpy Nut. Is that still out there?
Therapeutic.
It's a winner, isn't it?
Super Plumpy Nut
And also rehydration therapies.
Yeah.
When we talk about food aid through your agencies and such, does it include these things?
Yes, sir. In fact, there's been a deliberate effort and a substantial improvement in not just calories, but the right calories and nutritional added value products. And that's one of the things that we're really working together more strategically than we were years ago.
When we hear about the increasing cost of local food producers, I think of how we might help them directly, but I also think indirectly. Are there microcredit programs that are part of your?
Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today, and I truly hope that you found this information helpful. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Christina Burnside. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please reply with your email or message me on my Facebook page. And friends, please do me a big favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.